Hi guys, welcome back to Dhyani Rani. So today's video is going to be a really experimental makeup video because it has a glam makeup look with a twist, and the twist is blue lipstick. Yeah, you heard me right. A glam makeup look with blue lipstick. So without wasting any more time, let's watch the makeup video and let's see how it turns out finally. So here I'll be using a BB cream instead of a primer. It acts both as a primer and as a moisturizer. So I'll dot it all over my face and my neck. And now I'll use my beauty blender from NYX and I'll blend it properly all over my face as well as my neck. Okay, I'm done almost. Now I'll be using this strobing cream from Maybelline. I'll use it on my face before applying foundation to get the glam dewy look. This is the trick here. I'll be dotting over my face and I'll make it all over, blending on my face like this. See, it's so glowy now. Don't get scared. Twinkle twinkle little star, don't get worried. Number 3, now I will be using Pro Concealer from LA Girl. I'll just highlight my problem areas like my under eyes and some blemishes that I have. I have few blemishes, but I do have. And now I'll be blending them. This is a Pune Store brush, I told already. Pune Store brushes are really good for blending. It's an oval brush. See, I blended it. Now part 4. That's foundation. It's MAC. It's NC30. I love this foundation. So now I'll be dotting it all over my face. Wait. See how I do it? Using this strobing cream before using your foundation actually gives you the glow from within and the perfect glam look. Now I'll blend it with the PAC blending brush. This Kabuki blending brush from PAC is my favorite. So let me finish it. Blending again. Blend baby blend. I'll blend it on my neck itself. Blending your foundation properly is very, very needful. See, my face is always glowing. It's already glowing, like I'm having a glow from inside. So now I'll be using the loose powder Sapphire. It's from Blue Heaven, and I'll use the powder brush and I'll brush it all over my face just to set the base. You don't need much of the powder, just a little bit is more. I'm already done with the process. Now, the next process what I'll be doing is contouring. I'm using Sivana palette here and my Pune Store brush. See? You guys already know how to contour, so I'm just contouring it. Don't get scared by seeing the brown face. Eventually, it'll blend out everything. It's a glam makeup after all. And with the twist. Let the twist come at last. So I'll be contouring my jawline also. And the little double chin. Now I don't have beautiful nose, so I need to contour my nose. So now nose contouring part with the same brown color from the Sivana palette. I'm contouring my nose. Yeah, I'm done. Now the baking game. I'll take the sponge. I'll take that Blue Heaven powder and then put it under my eyes and draw a line just below the contouring line and just beside those nose contouring line. Now leave it like this for a few minutes. Within this time I'll be doing my eyebrows. With the spoolie side I'm brushing my eyebrows right now. I'm using Wet n Wild eye pencil, and now I'll be refilling my eyebrows just like that. I've done with one side of my eyebrows, now the other side. Now I'll be brushing it all over again to make it in proper shape and to keep it in place. See, eyebrow is done. Now eyelids. So here I'll be using first Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using first the transition color with a blending brush. For the other eye also I'm using the same transition color with a blending brush. Now I'm using the earthy color along with the blending brush just to make the transition look a bit better for the other eye also. You need to blend it properly. Now I'll be taking this Maybelline Nude Blush palette, and now I'll take another eye brush and I'll be choosing a glittery color, a glittery brown color, and I'll doing my eyelids. Just see, the same color on the other eye like this. I'm almost done with my eyes, not yet. Now this palette is a local palette, but the colors are awesome, seriously. I'll use this blue color and I'll use it on the inner corner of my eyes and then blend it outwards. From the inner corner I'll blend it outwards like this. See? For the other eye also I'll be doing the same thing. From the inner corner I'll be blending it outside. This blue color is really nice. Now from the same palette I'll be taking the golden color and I'll highlight my brow line for both the brows. And with the same corner, inner corner of my eyes, I'll do with the same color. Now I'll take the Rimmel London, my favorite eye pencil, and I'll draw Winged Catty liner. Yeah, this is very tricky. I think I'm not yet still prepared and fully practiced drawing wing liner, but I'm trying my best. Support me so that I can grow one day. And I really hope, and I really have that hope inside me that you guys will be liking this look a lot. One eye is done, so the next eye, just map the length of the liner that you have already drawn and do it for the other eyes. Now fill it up. Yeah, my upper eye is done. Now for the I'll just put it a bit more to make my tiny eyes look a bit bigger, and I'm drawing my lower line here also a little bit outside than my eye line, and drawing the outer line, the lower line of my eye, to make my eyes look a little bit bigger. See? Now the next I'll be using that nude pencil that I got from Primark store. I'll just line my waterline with this. It will really pop out my eyes and it will make my eyes look much bigger. Now the next step, my baking is over. I'm blending it all. See? Now the contouring part is so prominent, you can see, and my under eye is so highlighted. See the jawline? Isn't it perfectly contoured? Now I'll be using the Superstar mascara from L'Oreal. It's my favorite. It has two parts. The first part has the primer part. It lengthens your lashes. See, it's white in color. It lengthens your lashes. I'm using it. For my second eye also, the primer part, the part 1 of the mascara. Now the second part, that will actually give you the volume, the black part, and you'll have that falsy eyelashes like look. I don't use falsy eyelashes much, so I try to create that look with mascaras only. I'm almost done with my mascara, see? And I little bit draw my lower eyelashes also. Yay! My eye part is done. Now cheek part. I'll take my Sivana palette again, and this time I'll take the cute pink color and I'll blush my apple of my cheek, a little bit of my nose. Let me tell you one thing, the blushing, your cheekbone gives you a good rosy look. I'll be using 2 highlighters from In Color and from Wet n Wild. First I'm using the gold highlighter from In Color. You can see, it's so glowy. I love this color. Baked highlighters are always good. They're great. On my nose bridge and upper lip and on my chin. Not over yet. Now I'll be using the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's a glam makeup look, girl. Highlighter is the best part of makeup for me. मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे highlighter में डुबो दो. अब twist. Yes, and the twist is the blue lipstick. Finally.
Someone to release me. You're licking your lips and blowing kisses my way, but that don't mean I'm gonna give it away, baby, baby, baby.
Hey guys, so this is the final look with the experimental look with the blue lipstick. I myself actually liked it. I loved it. I hope you guys liked it too. I want to know your reviews. So if you like this look, if you want to see some more experimental makeup videos like this, please subscribe Dhyani Rani, and please don't forget to press the bell button icon. Please press the bell button icon. Please subscribe Dhyani Rani. And one more thing, this look you can carry with confidence into any kind of nightclub, parties, even in a shopping mall, if you're confident over. And yes, you need to be confident. So this was the final blue lipstick look with a glam makeup look. So I hope you liked it. So alright for today, take care. See you on the next video. Mwah.